Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about paper number 108, the American literature. In my topic is a comparison between a long day journey into night play and the story of my experiment with truth as a autobiographical works. So let's start. Next. Literature is vast. There are many types of literary work and literature, including a story, play, song, autobiographies, biographies, etc. So I have discussed what is a semi-autobiography. So long day journey into the night play and the story of my experiment with the truth as a autobiographical work. Next. So our mind is what is a autobiography? So the biography of a person narrated by the person usually was account of person's life in their own words. So that is the meaning of autobiography. Some example of autobiography in a Western writer George Eliot, the Mill on the Flaws, and Fitzgerald, The Side of Paradise, Hemingway, Farewells to Arms, and Long Day Journey into the Night on Neil. Next. And some Indian writers' autobiographies. The story of my experiment with the truth by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Second one is the memory of a spirited wife, Lakshmi Bai Tilak, Shanta Gokhale. Next one is writing of waiting for a visa, B.R. Ambedkar, Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam, Playing in My Way, Sachin Tendulkar, and Eyes Against Odds by Sania Mirza. Next. So autobiographical, some another forms is a semi-autobiographic. Dealing partly with the writer's own life, but also connecting fictional elements and fictional character. That means semi-autobiographic. Next. So here I am comparison between a long day journey into the night and the story of my experiment with the truth written by Mahatma Gandhi. So these both work are autobiographical. Next. First of all, I am give introduction of O'Neill's. O'Neill's as a writer of American playwright and a Nobel laureate for literature. His work Long Day Journey into the Night, written in 1956, for which he won his final Pulitzer posthumously 1957. Next. So some his work, The Empire Jaws, Desire Under the Elms, The Great God Brown, and other etc. Next. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a father of India. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and a political atheistic who employed non-violent non-violent resulted to the lead to successful camping for India independence for birth rules. Is some work of Hind Swaraj, Mangal Prabhat. Reason is started of newspaper, and his autobiographical work is the story of my experiment with truth. Next. So long day journey into the night, undoubtable tragedy, written by of O'Neill, autobiographical play. Long day journey into the night is regarded as his masterpiece and a classical American drama. So long day journey into the night is exactly that. Long means 4 hours playtimes and endless, painful, and the another word is a day. The day of the play, 18:30 a.m. to midnight. So day means another meaning of day in the life of the tyrant. A night journey words means a trip from day to night, a trip in time both from forward to backward. Night word means the night of the play, the night of dreams and death. So is literary word like that play a realism? In the another work is the story of my experiment with truth. Gandhiji represented of the story of my experiment with autobiographical and including starting with his birth and presenting. Gandhiji has given reminiscence and childhoods and marriage experience at the school. His study tour the London effect to be like the English gentleman experiment in detectives of color prejudice. He is a court for drama, social work in African, return to India. He is a slow and social activities to book and aborti. After his discussion of the Nagpur session of the Congress in 1915. So all things are represented in his autobiographical work. Next. So long day journey into night saw some main character of James Tyrant, Mary Tyrant, Jamie Tyrant, Edmund Tyrant. So four character are men in this play. So there are four main character in the play. First is James Tyrant, who referred to as a tyrant. He is the Patrick's. He is a led to successful acting career, just like O'Neill's actual father. His wife is a Mary. Their two grown sons as Jamie and Edmund. So next. So in key aspect, the play closely parallel O'Neill's own life. The location is a summer home constitutional correspond to the family home. The family is the script correspond to the O'Neill's family, which was Irish American with a three name change. The family name O'Neill's is changed to Tyrone, which is the name of the Eldon granted to Ken O'Neill by Henry VIII. The name of the second and third son are received organs with Edmund. O'Neill's mother, Mary Ellen Ella O'Neill, crossed to the character of Mary Queven. Next. So conclude is Gandhiji represented of his own life in the story of my experience with truth. This is autobiographical work because he was represented all things in his work. Second one is O'Neill represented his own life is a long day journey into the night, but his all character represented is a fictional tale and fictional character. So long day journey into the night. This play is a semi-autobiographical work. Next. Here is my references. Next. Thank you.
Okay, questions to Kishan, Lata and Nandita.
My question is, what according to you that both the writer use the similar term of autobiographical note?
Yes, Nandita, because Gandhiji also written in own life and own thought in this work, and but O'Neill is a representative of own life, but is a different way. He was a write down in a fictional character and is a life story, but not a original character in this play, but a fictional character and a fictional element in this play.
Thank you.
Yes, next question is Lata.
Hello, Kishan. Autobiographical novel. Hello,
Yes,
am I
Lata.
audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Okay, so my question
Yes,
is
yeah,
how
yeah.
and